Looking for great Clarisonic gift sets for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1 set contains a Mia smart device, 2 cleansing brush heads, and an anti-aging applicator and facial cleanser for visibly smoother, younger looking skin, by Clarisonic. Number 2, Mia Smart Sonic Cleansing Face Brush Gift Set. Set contains a Mia smart device, 3 cleansing brush heads, and 1 makeup brush and facial cleanser for clear skin and an effortless foundation application. Another great product by Clarisonic. Number 3 set contains 1 deep pore cleansing brush head and 1 pore and blemish gel cleanser. Deep pore cleansing brush head, pore and blemish gel cleanser. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.